Now we will add projection slab. By the way, this may be 750 or 900. We are using C 750 for beam face. Okay. Here also C 750. And we can make mirror copy of this line and this line. So we will use mirror this, right click, shift, right click, middle of 2 points, this beam edge point, and another this beam edge point, and click here and enter. Okay, same here. Mirror this, enter, shift, right click, middle of 2 points, this edge, and somewhere in this edge, and right click here and enter. And then we'll make fillet. Fillet command will extend these two lines where they intersect. Okay. Then where is our fillet command? This is fillet command. Okay. This is fillet. Fillet. There is a radius. Okay. We have to check if there is radius available. Oh, this is 0. Okay. Enter. We don't need any radius here. If we need radius, then we will use radius option. Then this line, this line, and this line to this line. But these two lines, these lines will be firm lines. So we will click here and make these thin lines. Okay, thin line, but this is the edge of the leaf. We will use thin line here. I think color of thin line will be same as this color. So we will go to layer manager, change color of this is magenta. Okay, the line is color is changed. Now our floor plan is completed, and we have to issue the marking. Also, okay, one more thing. This is, we need a text here. We will just select this text, select and control click. This will make copy of this. And double click. First, change the property of this because this is middle center. If we require the middle center, 4 mm height is 400 height is correct. Middle center may be left, only left. So you can easily see the changes between these two, and double click this right here. Caps lock, framing, plan, right, DL plus bracket, 3 point 2, 3.5 meter. Okay. If we want to underline this text, then we again double click this, and in the at the starting point of this text, place cursor here, write %% u. Okay, this will become with this line, and this is important.